From humble street food to royal feasts, the journey of your favorite meals is more incredible than you know. This is the history of the dish.
Cuban Arroz con Pollo. Arroz con Pollo rice with chicken is a beloved dish in Cuban cuisine, with deep roots in Spanish culinary traditions and influences from African, Caribbean, and other Latin American cultures. Here's a brief history of how this flavorful dish evolved in Cuba. The dish traces its origins to Spain, where arroz con pollo has been a staple since the Moorish introduction of rice to the Iberian Peninsula. The Spanish version typically includes saffron, giving the rice its signature yellow color, along with chicken vegetables and sometimes chorizo. When Spanish colonizers arrived in Cuba, they brought their culinary traditions, including rice-based dishes. However, local ingredients and influences transformed the recipe into something uniquely Cuban. Enslaved Africans contributed their cooking techniques and flavors, such as the use of sofrito, a sautéed mix of onions, garlic, bell peppers, and spices, which became a key component of Cuban arroz con pollo. Additionally, Caribbean ingredients like tomatoes, cumin, and achiote annatto were incorporated, giving the dish a richer, more vibrant flavor compared to its Spanish ancestor. Some recipes use beer or white wine to cook the rice, adding depth. No saffron. Due to its expense, saffron was often replaced with bijol achio-based seasoning, giving the rice its yellow color. Peas and pimientos. These are common additions, adding sweetness and color. One-pot cooking. Unlike paella, Cuban arroz con pollo is usually cooked in a single pot, making it a practical, home-style meal. Arroz con pollo became a staple in Cuban households, often served at family gatherings, celebrations, and casual meals. It reflects Cuba's history of blending Spanish, African, and indigenous Taino influences into a comforting, flavorful dish. Today, Cuban arroz con pollo remains a symbol of home cooking and cultural fusion, enjoyed both on the island and in Cuban communities worldwide.
The recipes for all of our dishes are linked in the description below. Like, subscribe, and click on the next video.